Consider a sentence so simple, yet so mind-bending, that it has puzzled thinkers for over 2,000 years. That's the essence of the liar paradox, famously illustrated by the simple sentence, "This statement is false." Think about it. If the sentence is true, then it must be false, since that's exactly what it claims. But if it's false, then it's not actually false, meaning it must be true. This contradiction isn't just a clever word game. It strikes at the heart of how we use reason to understand the world. If such a simple statement unravels into contradiction, what does this imply about the reliability of logic itself? The paradox emerges when a statement refers to itself, functioning both as the subject under evaluation and as its own evaluator. These dual roles collide within one perspective, producing a contradiction. It highlights how our intuitive understanding of truth can break down when faced with statements that turn inwards on themselves. Attempts to resolve the paradox have involved limiting language or modifying the principles of logic. However, a more elegant approach lies in recognizing that self-referential statements inherently operate across distinct perspectives, so that no single viewpoint must simultaneously serve as both subject and evaluator. By recognizing that self-referential statements involve distinct perspectives, we can see that the apparent contradiction is actually a kind of loop that emerges as we shift perspectives. No single perspective holds inconsistent beliefs. Subjective numbers provide a mathematical way to formalize these perspective shifts, retaining classical logic at each step. This reveals that self-referential sentences don't create a true contradiction, but instead highlight how truth itself changes when we move between perspectives. Ultimately, the liar paradox compels us to rethink what we mean by truth and showcases the deep challenges of self-reference. By embracing perspective as a crucial element, we find a path to resolve this ancient puzzle while preserving the foundations of logic.